Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. This video is all about solving past paper questions on trigonometric equations and trigonometric graphs. So let's get started. We're going to be solving question 19 from paper 2, variant 1, October-November 2023. Here's part A of question 19. It says to sketch the graph of y equals to the cosine of x for x between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. This is pretty simple. Start by marking 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees evenly on the x-axis like I've shown here. Now, we will find the corresponding y values of these x values from 0 to 360 degrees. We know that y equals to the cosine of x. So for instance, if we are finding the value of y when x is 0, we enter the cosine of 0 in our calculator, which gives us 1. So when x equals to 0, y equals to 1. Now we repeat this for 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. This gives us the corresponding values of y as 1 when x is 0, 0 when x is 90, minus 1 when x is 180, 0 when x is 270, and 1 when x is 360. Now we plot these points, which I have shown in red color here. After that, we just sketch the graph of y equals to the cosine of x going through these plotted points. Therefore, the graph I'm showing you here is the answer. Now for part B. It says when the cosine of x equals to 0.21, find the reflex angle x. Now, a reflex angle is an angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. We know that y equals to the cosine of x. This means when the cosine of x equals to 0.21, y equals to 0.21. So we draw a line across the sketch from 0.21 on the y-axis. I've drawn this line in red color here. As you can see, these are the points of intersection of the red line and the graph of y equals to the cosine of x. The x-coordinates of these points respectively are the solutions to this equation. The x-coordinate of this point of intersection is more than 180 but less than 360, which means it is a reflex angle. So, this x-coordinate would be the answer to this question. The x-coordinate of this point of intersection is less than 180, which means it is not a reflex angle. So, we do not need to find this x-coordinate. To find this x-coordinate, we first need to move back to this equation and solve for x. Take cosine inverse of 0.21. This gives us x equals to 77.8776 and so on. As you can see, these spaces I'm showing you here represent 77.8776 and so on degrees. So to find this x-coordinate, we just subtract 77.8776 and so on from 360. This gives us 282.1223 and so on. Rounding to one decimal place gives us 282.1 degrees, which is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. You can find more solved and explained past paper questions like these in the playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll be back with another video soon.